Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the platform and the exact game version. That matters because patches differ. Next, you make a quick backup of the save file and config folder so you can undo changes. Once done, verify or repair game files through the launcher or reinstall the latest patch. This fixes corrupted assets. You also clear the cache or temporary files to remove stale data that can cause crashes. These first steps remove common causes and get you ready for deeper fixes. Now you check more complex interactions. Disable all mods and custom assets and start the game clean to isolate third-party causes. Then update your graphics drivers and set the game to native resolution. Mismatch settings create physics glitches and frame drops. If instability persists, run the game in compatibility mode or choose a lower source graphics preset to reduce GPU stress. You should also monitor CPU/GPU use to spot spikes. These steps narrow down whether the issue is software, hardware, or configuration related. To finish, you reapply changes one at a time and test for about 10 to 15 minutes to confirm the problem is resolved. This isolates the effective fix. Make sure to collect logs and any error codes if crashes continue. Those details speed support responses. If nothing helps, restore your backup and report the issue to the developers, including system specs, steps you tried, and logs. Quick tip: if audio or physics still fail, toggle the in-game physics option before reaching out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.